Well, this is the last video for the testing of the first prototype of Anthilla Anthilla M1 R1 general purpose IoT device. This one. So the last time I could not read the real-time clock. This is the last part of for testing of the board. The rest of the board is working pretty well. So as we see here, I uploaded this code, this one library example, to the DS 13007, and it's not working. So I forgot to place the battery before. So we will place it because it will not work if we don't. So as you can see on the serial monitor, it's not working, so we will place it. So we see how it directly start to working out the real-time clock. So we will try other code for being sure the car is recognizing the real-time clock. So we have here, we have to place the make it before on program using the reset on the GPIO 0, and so we have to place it in download mode. Reset. Okay, waiting for download. It's waiting for download. So we can now we can upload this code, this ScanI2C I2C. So we already have here communication port 3 ESP. So we will upload the code for scan the different I2C devices connected on the board. So I will show here. We have here three devices connected on I2C port, and one of them is the real-time clock. Other one is the ADC converter, and the other one is the HDC 2080. This is temperature onboard device component integrated circuit. So let's see here how is this going. I could not upload. So we try again. So reset. We can try again. So what we will do here is searching the addresses of all of three I2C integrated circuits. Okay, let me check. It's uploading the code. Okay, it's okay now. So let's check. Let's reset. Set. Okay, it's 90. What about speed? Again. So here we have the three devices. Okay, here we have the three devices. Okay, let's. This is all. Let's check again. I will upload the code to see how it's going. We will upload again. That's the basic functional working of the real-time clock. I will let it here. okay. Place it on. No, I had to put it on download mode for it works. So here, and again to join. Here I am using again the same program as the beginning of the video. Connecting, uploading. Okay, here it fits the hour here. Set time. Okay, let's see. Let's restart. Oh, we have to use water bath rate. Here we have again. Okay, it's all.